at the Davis Casa. Ooh, wait, look. I mean, there's some dust and stuff in here again.
Because the door doesn't ever get left down.
Yeah, you should probably.
Every time as I close it, it gets reopened and then left open.
You should be better about closing that.
Yeah, if only it was me. Look at spare sockets, impact sockets.
Spare winch.
Yeah, I almost put all that back together.
On this new project.
That thing needs whips by next weekend.
Just take Dakota's little whips.
It would go because it's red.
He doesn't need them. His doesn't even run.
Here's the problem though, I don't know how we're gonna film this because you have to also steer that out.
So I can set this on top of the midget and hope for the best.
Let's do that.
The bumper.
It's okay.
Okay. Oh, I see where it pulled up a little bit.
Yeah, the bumper. Dude, every time, watch. Every time I was, here's what it does. So I was pulling at an angle.
Yeah.
Watch this bumper. See that? Oh, dude, it was sketchy. I was about to yank this freaking bumper right off this poor little bastard, dude.
That's what we have a parts car for.
What was I thinking? Oh my god.
No!
Just break it.
Yeah, hey, we took a time. Hey, bro.
Does it not pop on?
Not anymore.
What does that do?
Protects the front end.
Oh, so it just did its job.
Essentially.
Here, you want to set that up there?
Oh yeah, maybe like that's probably gonna be.
We can't go back there. We can never go back.
Nope.
It's wanting it. Okay, we need to get that thing.
How do I turn this off?
I think it's down there. One of those switches is a nut.
Oh, thank
We
God.
figured it out!
Yeah!
Make sure that thing's out of gear.
Yeah, it's out of
I'd really hate for you to run my child over and both of our old ladies. Give it some gas! Alright, looks like we have to go to plan B. Change the batteries out. Pause.
All right, so we tried to jump the race car.
And it didn't want it.
Me race car.
It didn't like it.
What's a clever name for a Mazda Miata?
The Shitbox 1000.
All right, so this is the Shitbox 1000. I don't know how YouTube's gonna feel about me putting that in the title.
If you put stars and asterisks and stuff, it's acceptable.
I'm gonna call it the Shizbox.
Okay.
Shizbox.
Oh, for the record, one of these is a 12, the other one is a 13.
A 13?
Yeah,
Hey.
apparently Mopar put this together. For those of you who get upset about me picking a Mopar, I'm a Dodge guy, so I speak.
Hey, that's a nice bumper you got there.
Yeah, that's not Mopar. I'm slapping the hell out. See, that's sturdy. That's solid.
Holy. Oh, it's not. Okay, it's not that much. I like peeled up a little bit of the paint and I was like, oh my Bondo.
Actually, the last people who built this,
It went to an actual shop.
yeah, no, it went to
The Mesquite.
Eastville, yeah.
Yeah, and they did a bang up job, dude. It looks so
well, I mean,
good.
this is a bang up job. That's a bang up job.
It's right here. Oh, they used to ride these puppies for miles.
Oh, the pioneers used to ride these babies for miles, and it's in great shape.
No, Eastville did a hell of a fucking job on it, man. Those students.
Yeah.
I think that, what class is that? Like 2016?
I think so.
2016, 2017, I don't know.
There you go.
So close!
I don't know why that's so difficult.
I got it! Okay,
Got you.
here's the dilemma.
Getting it out? Oh, that's not the same size battery.
No, it's not. This is out of a Honda. This is for a CRX. I know, it's crazy to think that that battery would be bigger because they're both 4-bangers.
The CRX has got way more power. Duh.
What does this shit go to?
What is that?
Battery vents. Racecar. Shit.
Is that a... Oh,
This don't have vents. You're not getting vents anymore. Sorry, compadre.
yeah.
Oh no, this bitch is leaking to good.
Is that the one that was in the...
Yeah. It's just battery acid.
Is that safe?
Go in the tray. What the fuck am I caught on?
No. You're caught on the wall.
It went a minute ago. Stupid.
Oh, it's the cable, dude. It's not long enough.
It's long enough.
No, it's not.
What the hell is going on?
well.
What a loose. What are you doing? Race car.
Yeah. It'll be a race car when it starts up.
Yeah.
Eventually.
We're just gonna cut holes in the floorboards, Flintstone it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, we could.
Hey.
Look, it's that low.
The motor in this one works. It actually bumped over a little
Yeah,
bit.
it tried to. It tried.
The other one is the mystery box.
Okay.
So now I gotta stuff the, like, shoehorn this Honda battery.
Which is way too tall.
That's neither here nor there. You're getting lost in details already.
Do we do anything
Well,
right
I was
here?
just wondering. I heard some sparks and stuff. I just don't know.
Hey, Aaron, try to squeeze into it.
Dun, 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 dun.
Take the wheel out
Does
first.
the seat move?
No.
I mean, depending on how much
Hey,
you want to try.
I fit in there.
Yeah. Aaron
I've
might.
Aaron's got 3
I've
feet
raced
on me.
cars before, man. I know how to race car.
Your knee can't even get on the other side of the steering column.
I get in there, man. Don't worry.
Getting out is the tricky part.
Oh! Oh, he's ready to...
But your head sticks out of the cage.
Oh my God, stop making loud noises. Loud noises! Alright, man, let's fucking race car, bro. Every sound I make, I'm thinking I'm like arcing against the
It squirted again. So it was so ready.
Alan, children! There are children!
She said it.
Oh, it's these fucking zip ties. I was like, man, something cut me on the way. Good God.
It's probably one of those monster zip ties, you know what I'm saying?
I don't think I could like comfortably race this, but I could
Oh,
probably.
your head is definitely uncomfortably dangerously sticking outside of the gate.
Look, this is safe.
He just looks over it all. It's fine.
Yeah, I just need some of those aviator goggles, and I can just.
You'd be looking like your dad in the BMW.
Hey, thank God you showed us this, because now we have to get a video of you with MX goggles on.
Yeah, just cruising.
Should have seen you reach for it.
Why is it turn signal?
Oh, turn that freaking thing
Why does
back
this
off.
have turn signals?
Turn that off.
It's middle level. Level is off. Yeah.
It's water.
I don't know.
It's got an electric water pump.
No, it's for a cool suit to keep your nuts
Oh.
dry. Oh!
It's success.
Do your dance. Alright, fuck it. Let's go whip it. Move the truck.
We gotta find a way to strap this batter down, and then I'm on board. Hey, give it a hard bend.
Here on Texas Made, whatever we're calling ourselves now. We ratchet strap everything.
This worked last time on the side-by-side.
Alright, we don't need your negativity.
I recall having to redo it more than once.
It didn't last at all. It'll last now, though.
What's that thing? Craziness is trying to the same thing over and over again, expecting different results.
Yeah. I'm not insane, you are.
You're right. I'm not trying it.
Victoria's concerned generally. She said, "Are you sure you want to go in there?"
Nope. Before I get off.
Reminds you of all the sketchy shit I've done, and she's worried about this.
Yeah, that says a lot.
Yeah. All right, here goes.
All
Let's see
right.
if I can still drive a stick.
Test flight. Scrape.
Can't find it, grind it.
If you can't find it, grind it.
Find it, grind it.
Maiden voyage. What do you get? Oh, this puddle.
This thing is such a pain in the ass to see out of right now. Look at that. Hell yeah! Okay, I'm not so mad about this anymore. Alex, I hope you watch that. Hey. All the illegal activities, we got a four-wheeler in front of us. This town has gone to hell in a handbasket.
Yeah, how's about that FM road all the way home?
I think we're going to.
I'm just praying that we don't stall.
Yeah, hopefully there's no police thieves.
Look, if they do, I hope they get them first.
This poor car. Stop!
I was like, I don't know if you're sincerely pushing on the brakes or not.
What is that freaking sound?
I have no idea. That's why I was like, dude, something's.
Oh,
moving
you know what it is?
What?
Part of that tire tread. It sliced the sidewall.
Yikes.
I forgot about that. This is so great.
The whole time.
Did it feel fast?
Oh,
God, no, we hit fourth. I'm like, what's going on?
We're going nowhere. Hey, but the smiles per gallon. So our car won't start.
Whoops.
And we don't know why. But,
Right here. This is the problem. Apparently, Justin forgot to tighten down the The brakes, I mean, they're there, but you have to get in them. Oh, great. At least I got warning now.
Hey, Cora, remember when you were like, you don't have that many left?
I'm more concerned about your tire falling apart.
I'm more concerned about getting pulled over by the laws.
Don't go out on the main road.
That's still a road. They can pull you over.
Yeah, but they're not
If they
gonna
pull
come
you
over
over,
here.
all you have to do is tell them that you're testing out your new car, which is not a lie. That's why you have. You're not gonna have the camera. But you have an Asian. They listen to foreigners over here. Yeah, he's Asian. He's pretty. He's got money. We'll let him go.
literally said that's the worst road they could have gone down. It's like nothing but potholes.
I was like, oh, I'm gonna fucking.
Oh, he sent it.
Dropped on it, and we were like,
And the front end just tipped. Back end. It's like the front end came up, and then it clipped something on the back trying to go, and it was just.
and this fucking headlight was like flopping all in the air. Holy cow. You know, it is gutless. But son of a bitch, that's fun.
You know what?
Push buttons to make
So, first impressions.
the steering wheel camera.
Indeed.
It's fun. It's a lot of fun. It is definitely fun. Like I said, I was pissed last weekend. Not so mad anymore. It's a blast. Not so mad. No power. And yeah.
Hey,
No speed.
It's got all the power it needs.
But enough power to put a smile on your face.
This one's going. Now we have to get one more running over there, which that'll be more of a task because that's not just a battery.
And then we got to get that one running. And then we're all going to have a
I'm talking
rally.
about as far as Miatas go, we gotta get the blue one going, and then we gotta figure out what we're doing to them.
Yeah.
Lifted, lowered, bagged, ratted,
Turbo.
LS, 4BT, maybe.
If we could find a 4BT.
I sent you one. It was $4 grand.
Yeah. Reasonably
All right,
priced.
y'all got dinner to go to.
Or
so-
you can get LS for like $5.
Well, thanks for tuning in this week.
How do you know if they have any more?
Subscribe, like, share, do whatever. Man, that lullaby thing is really bad.
Take a nap.
Sharon to Aaron.
Sharon. All right, beards.